Hi there, this is Rupesh and welcome to this wealthy affiliate review. Is it still worth joining as a beginner? In this video, I'm going to address a few topics. Is it a scam? How does wealthy affiliate work? Is it worth buying into? And are there better alternatives? So at the end of this video, you will have all the information that you're going to need to make an informed decision. But stick around till the end of this video because I also have a free gift for you. So make sure you watch the video right until the end. Okay, so what is this Wealthy Affiliate program all about? Wealthy Affiliate is a beginner-friendly platform designed to help everyday people build a long-term affiliate marketing business from scratch. It was founded back in 2005 by Kyle and Carson, and it provides everything you need in one place: step-by-step training, website hosting, keyword tools, SEO education, content writing tools, and a supportive online community. So whether you've never built a website before or you're just tired of the get-rich-quick hype, Wealthy Affiliate focuses on teaching real digital marketing skills so you can build a sustainable income stream online. No fluff, just honest tools and guidance for beginners who are ready to learn and take action. So in summary, their core products are affiliate marketing training, website tools, hosting, keyword research, and even a live support platform. The industry they are in is affiliate marketing and online business education, and members the core business model is where members create niche websites, attract free traffic through SEO, and earn commissions. So, what exactly is affiliate marketing? It's a way to earn money online by promoting other people's products or services. So, when someone clicks your special link and they make a purchase, you earn a commission. No product creation or customer service is needed, so it's like being a digital middleman. You recommend, they buy, and then you earn. Now let's check out how the Wealthy Affiliate program works. So first of all, you can sign up for free to Wealthy Affiliate. You don't need your credit card to join the platform. Then your next step is to choose a niche. This is a topic or a subject that is based on your passion or your interests. This is basically what your whole business will be built around. Next, you go ahead and build your online asset. It can be YouTube or your website, or you can even have a social media channel following all the training that WA has to offer. And then you get to monetize these assets through affiliate links, ads, or your own products. And then it's all about growing and scaling your business with additional tools, training, and community support. The cool part about Wealthy Affiliate is that you can get help at any time via the live chat, forums, and weekly webinars. So, how do you earn money with Wealthy Affiliate? Well, they also have an affiliate program. That's an option if you want to join it. You can be earning recurring affiliate commissions. You can earn up to $23.50 per month per referral on the premium plan, and then they also got a premium plus plan, and this is where you can make $46.50 per month per referral who joins on this plan. And then there's also an annual plans where you can earn up to $299 per year for any premium, and then for premium plus you can earn up to $499 per year. Now, Wealthy Affiliate has got a boot camp that teaches you exactly how to promote their program, and it's got a high retention, steady income thanks to a strong community and sticky platform. Then there's also other incentives where there's a super affiliate incentives. If you hit the targets, you can qualify for the all paid Vegas conference. Now we come to one of the most important questions: is Wealthy Affiliate a scam? So in my opinion, I do not think Wealthy Affiliate is a scam. It is 100% legit. As I said, it's been around since 2005. It has a global user base, and it's run by two real and visible founders, Kyle and Carson, who are actively support the community. Unlike shady get rich quick schemes, WA doesn't make wild income promises or pressure you to recruit others. It offers real tools, real training, and real support to help you beginners build sustainable affiliate marketing businesses. While it won't make you rich overnight, it does give you the step by step foundation to earn long term if you're willing to put in the effort. There's no hype, just solid education. Alright, so now let's check out some of the good parts of the program. Well, the first thing is that it's an all in one platform. You get everything that you need: training, hosting, keyword tools, writing tools, and support all under one roof. So it's no need for you to juggle multiple services and pay extra to two or three different programs. It's beginner friendly and it's free to start. So, with the free start option and step by training, even non techie folks can launch a website without any stress or even paying anything. And then there's an active, supportive community. WA community is super active, and even the founders are available to help you out directly. Okay, now let's look at some of the negative parts about the program. It's too much of content can overwhelm beginners. There's so many lessons and modules, and some new users might feel lost or unsure where to focus, especially when you're just getting started. There is a keyword tool called Jackson Lite. It is good, but it is limited if you sign up only on the free option. The included keyword tool is helpful, but it's not as powerful as some premium tools out there like Ahrefs and SMrush. The results will take time. WA teaches organic traffic and long term growth, so not quick wins. So it does require patience and consistency before seeing any real income. Okay, so now here is my final verdict. If you are serious about building a long term online business and you want real training, tools, and support under one roof, then Wealthy Affiliate is absolutely worth it. You won't get overnight riches here, but you're gonna learn the skills to build a sustainable income over time. The free starter plan gives you a risk free way to test the waters, no credit card needed. And if you are ready to learn, stay consistent, and avoid the shiny object traps, then Wealthy Affiliate gives you the roadmap to follow. What about alternatives? Are there alternatives to the Wealthy Affiliate program? The alternative that I would recommend is also based on affiliate marketing, but it's high ticket affiliate marketing. This is a business model where you sell other people's products for $1,000 or higher. The benefits, just like the benefits of any affiliate marketing business, you don't have to do any recruiting. There's no need to worry about sales support or customer queries. You don't own your own product, so there's no need to have your own product. You choose the products you want to promote. It's 100% online, so you can work from anywhere. Some more benefits: you can choose your hours, full time or part time. There are low startup costs. It's beginner friendly model to learn and to execute. And you don't have to focus on turning high volume to reach your income goal. So if your income goal is a few $1,000s, then you don't have to sell 10 or 20 products. Maybe if your goal is $5,000 per month, you just sell 5 products. Other benefits of high ticket affiliate marketing: it gives you the potential of earning a passive income. You can get to that point where your business is earning on a regular basis for you, and that's when you can decide to quit your day job, and then you can also create a life on your terms and have both time and location freedom. So the big question is, how can you get started? And my answer is simple. All you have to do is just grab my free gift, and this gives you access to a free online course. There's no credit card needed to sign up to this course. You'll see proof that it works, and you'll also get some of my core free bonuses. So thanks a lot for checking out my wealthy affiliate review. I hope that it has helped you out. Go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel to keep up to date on what is happening in the world of online business. And don't forget to claim your free gift which is waiting for you in my pinned comment. I wish you everything of the best in your online success. Until next time, take care.